Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm playing w02. I will be trolling as a level 1 noob, but I am unkillable. So yeah. Alright, let's go to the snows. And by the way guys, it's 1:29 in the morning right now. So I have to be extremely quiet because my cousin is sleeping right now. I don't want to wake him up, so yeah. I'll be back when I reach. Okay guys, we're back. We're here at the thing. Just gonna take yeah, so at this point, only thing I'm just gonna do is just gonna bro. Who is crashing this server, bro? Who is crashing this server? I just joined, bro. I bet it's the dragon guy. He was the first one to be crashing this server. Yeah, bro, he's really annoying. Don't move down in the back cause it's real annoying. Look at this little dragon spammer. Oh my god. I can. So I'm just gonna do this. If I was trying, but I'm going to change their stats so they don't be up here. So yeah, about what is attacking? Oh, she was a bitch. Keep cool, huh? Oh my baby, peace out. What I'm gonna do? I dare you to attack me, bro. Like if you hit me, I'm gonna hit you back. Who is crashing the server, bro? Who is keep on doing that, bro? Stop crashing. Bro, they need to stop crashing the server, bro. Oh yeah, guys, I am not pretty sure that this is only a voice reveal. That's a voice reveal, like yeah, whatever. Okay, get back. Oh. Why can't I marry him? I don't know. And I'm not gonna. Oh, never mind. I think this is into. So, like, when you're leaving anything, well, he's here. Oh, I'm running like a track star. Yeah, boy. Get down there. Now you're stuck for life. You're stuck. Can't get up. I'm gonna be nah, boy. I'm gonna come for you. Nah, not today, kid. Come. Nah, boy. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, never mind. Apparently, I'm too weak to one top the guys. So, look what I can do. I can change all of their stats. Look, for one simple reason. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm a very nice guy. I did on my Mr. Alien, but I don't wanna try. Oh, you're that dude, I do know food. You're awesome. How is a lv1 move just one time? Well, I can't see, but yeah, whatever. Oh, I have 3 kills now. Yay. Now I'm just digging on his grave. Oh no. I know he did something. He just rejoined. He had to did something. Secret. Keep forgetting he's unkillable, bro. I dare you to freeze him. Oh, he actually did. I guess he heard me too. Well, now I can't move. And he's switching dragons. Yeah, peace out. I ain't gonna let you get no more change, boy. Yeah, see. Everything you did is, well, I don't know actually. So I just felt bored. So ow. It's literally 1:39 right now, and I don't know what to do. Seriously, why do I stop editing? Bro, it's literally lagging up my device, but I'm getting a computer by December. in my December, that's gonna take months. But I got my keyboard and mouse already. Of course, the big bat dragon. And guys, if I'm gonna record the next video after this, so don't worry. Just stay tuned. And please like and subscribe. Get your ass out of here. Stop playing with me, boy.